Every day, the world moves on logistics: food, medicine, fuel, electronics, materials, flowing through ports, warehouses, roads, skies, and oceans. And yet most people never see the system that keeps civilization running. What they do see are the failures: empty shelves, delayed packages, rising prices, fragile supply chains that snap under pressure. Behind those failures is a simple truth: human-managed logistics can no longer keep up with the speed, complexity, and volatility of the modern world. That's why AI has quietly taken control of global movement, not as an upgrade, but as a necessity. Because without intelligent systems, the supply chains we depend on would already be breaking down. Welcome to AI Unlocked, the channel where we explore artificial intelligence, future tech, and the tools that are changing the world. Today, we're diving into how AI is transforming logistics. Logistics was never orderly. Delays compound, weather shifts routes, demand spikes without warning. One missed shipment cascades into dozens of failures downstream. AI enters this chaos, not to eliminate uncertainty, but to model it. Modern systems analyze millions of variables simultaneously: traffic data, port congestion, fuel prices, labor availability, historical disruption patterns, and turn volatility into probability. Instead of reacting to disruption, logistics networks begin anticipating it. The system doesn't ask what happened. It asks what's about to happen next. Traditional route planning followed fixed rules. AI routing adapts continuously. It recalculates paths in real time based on accidents, weather, driver behavior, fuel efficiency, and delivery urgency. A route isn't chosen once. It's constantly revised. Trucks divert before congestion forms. Ships adjust course days ahead of storms. Aircraft scheduling shifts to avoid cascading delays. Movement becomes fluid, guided by systems that optimize not just speed, but cost, safety, and reliability simultaneously. Inside modern warehouses, AI observes everything. It tracks how workers move, how often items are picked, where bottlenecks form, and which layouts slow productivity. Over time, the system learns. Storage locations change automatically. High-demand items migrate closer to dispatch zones. Robots adjust behavior based on human movement patterns. Warehouses stop being static spaces and become adaptive environments, places that remember what worked yesterday and refine themselves today. One of AI's most disruptive capabilities is forecasting demand before customers realize they want something. By analyzing purchasing trends, seasonal cycles, social signals, and economic indicators, AI predicts where demand will rise weeks or months in advance. Inventory shifts proactively. Manufacturing ramps up early. Distribution networks reposition stock closer to future buyers. The result isn't just efficiency, it's resilience. Shortages become less frequent, not because demand shrinks, but because it's anticipated. In logistics, speed isn't convenience, it's leverage. Companies that deliver faster control markets. AI compresses time by synchronizing every layer of the supply chain. Manufacturing schedules align with transport availability. Warehousing syncs with real-time orders. Last-mile delivery adapts minute by minute. Speed stops being a competitive advantage and becomes a survival requirement. Those who can't match it quietly fall behind. And this is where logistics stops being about delivery and starts being about power, because once A AI controls how goods move, it also controls who gets access, who waits, and who pays more. Stay with me. The next part reveals why this transformation reaches far beyond shipping and storage. AI hasn't removed humans from logistics, but it has redefined their role. Workers now operate alongside predictive systems that assign tasks, measure efficiency, and optimize movement. Drivers receive routes generated by algorithms. Warehouse staff follow AI-directed pick paths. Performance becomes data. This increases productivity, but it also introduces pressure. When efficiency is constantly measured, human rhythm collides with machine expectation. The system doesn't get tired. People do. From autonomous forklifts to robotic sorting arms to drone-assisted inventory scans, AI-driven automation accelerates logistics at a scale humans can't match. These systems don't replace entire operations overnight. They absorb tasks incrementally. First, the repetitive motions, then the planning, then the coordination. Over time, human involvement shifts from execution to supervision. The warehouse of the future hums quietly, machines moving goods while humans manage exceptions. AI strengthens supply chains, but it also reveals their fragility. Highly optimized systems leave little room for error. When a model misjudges demand or a cyber attack disrupts coordination, the consequences ripple instantly across borders. A delayed port affects factories thousands of miles away. A single algorithmic failure can halt production lines worldwide. Efficiency creates dependency, and dependency creates risk. Modern logistics thrives on visibility. AI dashboards show where every shipment is, how fast it's moving, and when it will arrive. This transparency reduces waste and uncertainty, but it also centralizes power. Those who control the data control the flow. Smaller suppliers depend on platforms they don't own. Entire industries become reliant on invisible systems they cannot audit. Logistics shifts from physical dominance to informational dominance. In the years ahead, logistics will become increasingly autonomous. Self-driving trucks, AI-coordinated ports, smart cities adjusting traffic to delivery demand. Supply chains will respond to events in real time, not days later. Goods will move like information, routed, prioritized, and optimized continuously. The world won't just ship faster, it will think faster about how things move. Logistics has always been the backbone of civilization, but now intelligence runs through that backbone. As AI takes control of movement, prediction, and coordination, the systems that deliver the world's goods begin shaping the world itself. If you found this episode insightful, make sure to follow the channel, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cinematic deep dives into the technologies reshaping global systems. And in our next video, we pull back the curtain on the engine behind all of this, the science of machine learning explained. Because once you understand how machines actually learn patterns, make predictions, and reinforce mistakes, you'll see logistics and every other AI system in a completely different way.